Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I have started working out recently, and now I am going for protein in the morning, and this is what I've been using. It's Teami Wellness Protein, and I got this because it was one of the very clean proteins that was just 100% plant-based. So this is made with pea protein and rice, and it has no GMO stuff, no nasties, nothing. Super clean, and I personally feel like it doesn't upset my stomach like some other proteins have in the past. This protein can be used for cooking, for smoothies. Some people mentioned the flavor was different, and it has to do with it being a more natural product. But personally, after drinking it for a little bit, I like the flavor of this better than the more synthetic ones because this is not upsetting my stomach and it has a nice, pleasant, lingering flavor. So yeah, check it out. If you're looking for a source of protein that is nice and clean, you might like this one, but that's just my point of view.